Here's a look at the December 2024 issue of Onsite Installer. In our cover story, at just 34, Nick Dykes is reshaping the on-site wastewater industry, not only with innovative solutions for challenging sites, but as a passionate educator and advocate. See how 3 generations of family wisdom fuel his mission. A good septic system is essential for any facility, but at Saving Grace Pet Adoption Center, it's a lifeline. Industry experts and local businesses teamed up to retrofit and maintain a wastewater system, helping this Oregon shelter save tens of thousands of animals. Stress is inevitable in the wastewater industry, but how you handle it can transform both your career and personal life. So how do you find balance? Turn to page 16 to find out how manufacturers in this industry aren't just selling products, they're building strategic partnerships with contractors like yourself. When you succeed, they succeed. For 30 years, Trent and Monica Rhea have been at the helm of Rhea's backhoe and septic tank service. Read about their secrets to longevity, unexpected moments on the job, and commitment to mentoring. From pollution control in Virginia to funding opportunities in New York, these changes could directly impact your business and bottom line. The tough, tight 24-inch heavy-duty riser lid not only boosts safety, but also meets strict regulations with ease. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next year.